วันนี้พวกเรามาเรียนโยคะด้วยกันนะครับ
Yes correct
โอเค ดีมากเลย สวัสดีครับทุกคน Namaste everyone วันนี้พวกเรามาเรียนโยคะด้วยกันนะครับผมเจอสอนโยคะ Sun Salutation Modern Yoga Style Modify Sun and Modify Moon so you can see and observe and practice ใช่ practice ด้วยกันอันนี้ไม่ใช่ level 1 นะ level 1 ฝึกโยคะได้ level 2 ก็ได้โอเคปะฝึกโยคะด้วยกันโอเค standing สบายหายใจเข้ายกแขนขึ้น palm together หายใจออก elbow together and namaste asana สวัสดีครับทุกคนโอเค elbows together again เร็ว inhale hands up arch your back ดีมากเลย bend forward pada hastasana okay catch your ankle head down stretch okay inhale head up bend your knees ก่อน elbows palm together front of the hand interlock your fingers thumbs okay body weight to the left leg นะ right leg go back right leg go back and come up warrior 3 advanced มากเลยโอเค hands down right leg down อัชวาสัญจารันอาสนะช้าๆ knee down foot down palm together raise your hands up inhale keep your down your pelvic okay right hand to the behind twist try your best touch the heel if you can hands up inhale slowly down we will do this posture the way come back with the next leg step back to the mountain parvatasana ดีมากเลย knee just chin down guru namaskar ดีมากโอเค hip down bhujangasana cobra pose look up slowly down okay very nice come back to the parvatasana mountain pose ดีมากเลย try your best if you can it's fine if cannot no problem step your right leg forward ดีมาก okay knee down foot down palm together interlock your fingers thumb arch your back inhale left hand go behind and right hand on your chest yes like this very good slowly both hands up inhale and down palm on the floor yeah and lift your behind leg up yes hands to the front ดีมากเลย warrior find the balance ก่อน it's challenging I know okay slowly leg stand and pada hastasana inhale head up okay slowly raise your hands up come up เลย arch your back sometimes it can be challenging but don't worry try your best elbows together modified sun salutation เปรียกนิดหนึ่ง just modify because it's modern yoga we can modify anything now we're gonna do moon salutation but it's still modification just don't try to be mixed with the original one original is the one and only okay hasto uttan asana elbows together palms open arch your back yes hasto uttan asana okay slowly bend forward pada hastasana palm beside head down keep breath normal okay focus on your left leg so bend your both knees yes and the left leg step back ดีมากเลยโอเค both hands come up inhale arch your back keep breath normal very nice okay slowly down knee down tuck the behind foot both hands up. Again, right hand to the right leg and twist. Yes, ดีมาก palm together in the front of the heart center and lift your behind leg up. Find the balance if you can. If cannot, keep breath normal and knee down. Okay, slowly, hands down first, knee down. Raise your both hands up. Chandra asana. ดีมากเลย holding the moon pose. Okay, slowly down. Palm beside. Step your right leg back. ดีมากเลย very good. Knee down. Chest chin down. Very good. Slowly hip down. Feet together. Cobra pose. Twist to the right. Look at the right heel. Yeah. And twist left. Look at the left heel. Yes, very good. Okay, now down. Tuck the toes and back to the Parvatasana. Focus on the left leg. Left leg step forward. Very good. Now both hands raise up. Palms apart. Yes. Warrior. Warrior one. Yes, very good. Okay, slowly down. Very good. Knee down. Adjust the behind foot and raise your both hands up again. Left hand on the left side. Left hand and a twist. Yes, ได้เลย like this. Palm together and lift the behind leg up. Yes, cha-cha. Okay, slowly down. Hands down first and then leg down. Very good เลย Okay, raise your both hands up. Inhale, arch the back, holding the moon pose. Slowly down. Step your behind leg forward. Pada Hastasana, palm beside, head down. Inhale, head up. Raise your both hands up. And Hasto Uttanasana. Yes, just try your best. Keep breath normal. Palm together. Elbows together. Namaskar Asana. Keep breath normal. Be yourself. Be happy what we have done the practice. Raise your elbows together again. Hands up and Samahastiti. Slowly down. I hope you enjoy this video and this practice, and if you love it, please give us comment, and I will be very happy to see you if you share this video with your friends. Namaste and have a good day. Bye bye. ยากอ่ะไม่นะยังไม่ได้วอร์มเลยอันนี้วอร์มอัพนะอันนี้คือวอร์มอัพแล้วใช่เลย